Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing an item. I've been meaning to do a video on it for a long time. I have several. There are several brands of those. Those technically are universal tabletop TV stand. I call them legs for TVs. You know, so many times I've been in places where they used to have a TV wall mounted, then things change, they move, they go somewhere else. It's been mainly apartments. They don't really want to drill a hole in the wall. So they lost the stand and they have no way to keep the TV. I've actually seen TV just laying on a wall or on top of a table or a piece of furniture just laying there. So this is a very good solution, those legs. This TV does have the legs, but because they're just too, the way they're positioned will not work for my friend. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. This one is the Walmart brand. There is several other makers. I mean, I found them on eBay. I have a couple other brands. So they have them in different size, but this one is 37 to 70 inches. A pretty actually sturdy piece of equipment for the money. It's around $20, you know, 1998, $20. Same on eBay, I found them. Of course, there are some more expensive, but $20. Inside, what we have you have pretty much a bunch of screws. You know, because technically it mounts into the same way you will mount a wall mount. There is a quick start guide, and there's going to be so those two long ones at the part they're going to be in the back of the TV. That's going to be my leg. 1 and 2 is at least is labeled. Makes it nice, you know, they have different labels, tell you where it goes, so it should be pretty easy, and that's it. So let me put it together, and then we see how it fits on this TV. And my stand is put together. As you notice, there is 3 holes for the screws. I put it the lowest setting because it's a small TV, but actually could, actually no, I could go a little lower. That's the highest it can go. If I drop it down one, it will be lower. So let me see where the TV is, otherwise I need to remove those screws and drop it. Okay, that's it. We got that done. It was pretty easy. It looked like it was more time consuming. Technically so far only 6 screws to assemble the whole stand. I like the thing is universal, can use it pretty much with any TV, and it's only $20 at Walmart. And on eBay too, something approximately the same. Okay, and do I have an item number? Let me see it. There's the barcode and the item number. Okay. And the other screws there is for the back of the TV, you know, different sizes. Pretty much they are standardized finally. My legs, you know, I noticed they're a little close to each other. I'm not 100% pleased, but they should be able to hold the weight of the TV because they're so big. It's just, you know, I think they would be better on a TV with the traditional mounts, the larger ones, because this is a small one, I have only the center mount. They used to be a 40-inch with the mounts like on the edges of it, but I think it's gonna work okay. I think it might need a little calibration, and I did drop into the lowest of the 3 screws, the lowest setting. I don't wanted the bars to stick out in the back, like they just barely covered by the TV body. Okay, so let's see if the thing stands up. It's gonna be an experiment. Yeah, actually it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I mean, it doesn't, I think I can cut off a little of it if they're too big, but it does stand up, yes. And from a regular angle, you don't see the bars. I mean, that's it, that's the universal leg for a TV. Like I said, we had an issue with the smaller legs on the side, because the cabinet is not big enough to support them. That's why we went with this universal. Like I said, I do remind you, they can hold a TV up to 70 inch. So it's only $20 and they work with any TV. So thank you again for watching. This is Ingenious Giacomo, and please subscribe and thumbs up if you can. And today we have a universal stand or legs for television without it. And normally if you have a larger TV, there will be more to the right and left of the screen, not like in this position, because the smaller TV have just the center mount for, you know, the smaller supports for the wall mount. Thank you again for watching. Ciao.